Hi faculty, welcome to the fall semester. I hope you all are as excited as I am. I want to kind of do a quick overview of some of the things that we discussed in the opening institute from last week. Remember that all courses should have the standardized home page as shown here on the screen. This standardized home page will allow students to become familiar with the layout of each course, whether the course is fully online, a hybrid course, or a fully face-to-face course. Now, if you all were in the opening planning workshops that I conducted, you all were added as teachers to this particular course that I'm demonstrating in and were able to copy the actual template into your courses. So from here, what you'll need to go through and do, if you haven't already done so, when a student hits the home link over here to the far left, they should see this page when they go into your course. If this is not the page that they're seeing, make sure that you choose home page, that option that's located over here on the right navigation. Choose the second option that says pages front page. The front page that you have set under pages is the page that's going to show here. So it should be this home page that's displayed. So if it's not, all you have to do is click change, and whatever other page you have that is the actual navigation page, home page, select that one and link it back to the home page. So for this one, I'm just going to click home again. And as you can see, up here at the top right is listed as front page. Now from here, you want to make sure that you edit this page. And under the welcome area, you highlight that area and you type in the name of the course. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to type in career and life assessment. Then the next section, course description. Please make sure that you're utilizing the course description that is provided in the course catalog, and also include the number of credit hours for that course. Then from here, just make sure that you're going down and you complete all of the different sections in this table. Whatever your office hours are going to be, make sure you include that. Something I would also encourage you all to do, if you're going to use the mailing system within Canvas, maybe put a note out there that says, for instance, what I usually do is letting the students know when they can expect a response from me during the weekdays and responses that are not during the weekdays, such as Saturday and Sunday, or if that's going to be a Friday and Saturday for you. So just decide how you're going to handle weekend responses for your classes. Then going down, also make sure that you include the required textbooks that the students will need, and also include a link to your PDF version syllabus. So with the syllabus, one of the things, if you click in the section next to the label of syllabus, you can go to the far right navigation and click Files, and then click Upload a new file. Browse, and from here, locate the document that you want to include. Again, make sure that it's a PDF version, but for demonstration purposes, actually I'm just going to click on a PDF version here and click Open. And from here, click the Upload button. And as you can see, it added that particular PDF that I had on my desktop. Now, another option, if I click Return, you can also add the syllabus page that's listed in Canvas. Now, the syllabus page actually contains all of the different assignments that you have in your course. A lot of instructors like to put some information from their actual syllabus into that same location. So what you can do is add both links. And I'm going to show you how to add that syllabus link, which is located here in the left side of the navigation. But to add it, you're going to go over here on the right side of the navigation and click Links. From here, you will go down to course navigation, and then you will select syllabus. So it actually puts that syllabus label right there. And you click save. Now when you scroll down, you see that this PDF version of my PDF is there. When I click on it, it actually opens it up and allows me to save that file. And that's what you want students to be able to do, is to download your syllabus and print it if they want to and at their convenience. Now, the second option with syllabus, which goes to the syllabus page within Canvas, when I click that option, it's going to take you to the area that contains all of the courses, all of the assignments for your course. Okay? So it's up to you how you want to utilize that section, but at minimum, make sure that you have the PDF version of your syllabus located here on the home page. Now, another important component to add to your course before the first day of classes is an announcement. So if you click on the announcement section, and to add an announcement, all you're doing is click the plus sign announcement over to the far right. Say something like, welcome to my class. And in your welcome announcement, make sure that this is the opportunity for you to give the students some information about you as their instructor and welcome them to your class. So think of it as somebody coming to your home. You want to make them feel welcome. So you are the host. So this is your opportunity to make them feel welcome to your class. So from here, you can go down, and if you want to delay the post, you can. So say, for instance, you want the post to show up at 7 a.m. on Wednesday morning. You can delay the post and put in the date and time that you want that particular announcement to be displayed to students, and then click the save button. So next, another thing that you make sure that you want to take a look at before Wednesday is, after you have all of the different components and assessments and files and web pages that you want to include in your course, make sure you utilize the option that says Student View over here to the right side of the page. Student View will allow you to see exactly what the student is seeing in their course. If students are reporting to you that they can't see something, more than likely it's going to be because of a due date being set or it not being published. So make sure that you check your courses by utilizing that student view. And another thing from the checklist that I sent you all is also to make sure, if you have external links to other pages or resources that you're using in your class, make sure that you check those links by clicking the Validate Links and Content, which is located under Settings, and over here to the right side it says Validate Links and Content. And one last thing that I want to make sure that I remind you all about is to make sure that you click the Publish button on your class. If your button is not published, students will not be able to see any of the content that you have out there. So these are just a couple of the things that I have on the checklist. Make sure you utilize the course readiness checklist, because this will definitely remind you of different things that we discussed during the workshops, such as the different components that should be included on your syllabus at a minimum. And also, as far as taking attendance, please remember to decide how you're going to utilize that feature. I recommended using discussion forums, and with the discussion forums, having the students to actually participate on the discussion board at least 3 days out of the week. So try to be creative and have different things that allow the students to actually engage with the content in the course, and also engage with one another to actually show activity within your course. Because we want to have some really quality courses that are going to attract students from far and near. And as we increase more online classes, this is definitely one of the ways that we want to be able to show that Stillman is offering top-notch classes at reasonable prices. Hope you all have a wonderful afternoon. Thanks.